Everybody, it is Michaelville here with another video. So I did say I was going to do a house tour again before I started packing up to leave this house here for a little bit. You know, I'll come here on the weekends and stuff if I can. So anyway, here I'm going to start the house tour. So pretty much there's the front door, the white door, that's my front door. And then you come in the front room pretty much. This is like the front room, my first front room. I technically have like two in this house. This one, though, doesn't have a TV. So, you know. But it has a lamp, some couches, a little thing, and got my bonsai tree there. I'm going to have to try to transport that to my other house, I think. But, you know, it's going to be hard. But and then I got my security system, because I do have a security system in this house. So, you know. And then my garage, you've seen this, should have seen this before in videos, you know, my garage. All I got in here is some four-wheelers, move that, okay, four-wheelers, little table in here, a chainsaw, a ladder, you know, things in those, cupboards, my lawnmower, my vacuum, and I also have my firewood, because I do have a fireplace in this house, but it's in my bedroom fireplace, so yeah. Then I got the kitchen, which you've seen this probably before. I know the rooms you usually don't see is the dining room, my bathroom, and my bedroom, but you've seen most of everything else. But my kitchen, I like the kitchen, I gotta say. I like this stove. That's what I like. This stove right here. I really like the stove. Oven, you know, it's great. I love it. It cooks well and it looks nice because it's like old-fashioned. And here's my coffee area. You know, I got a whole area just for coffee, and of course I got my But First coffee. Now I actually don't just have this one poster and I go back and forth, because you will also see this poster at my other house. But this poster stays here. I just bought a few of them. So yeah, now here's my office. Now I've been doing a lot of videos lately where you guys kind of see, well, I'm talking and you, like, about something, reacting to something and stuff, and you kind of just see, my, you know, TV, the table, which that's what I want you to see, and this door here is closed, because, you know, I didn't want you guys to see my kitchen and oven. That doesn't seem, professional. And then I have my door to the patio kind of thing. But this is the thing here that you guys usually don't see, which is all the computer things, you know, all the behind the scenes when I'm making these videos when I sit at my desk, you know, because I got my PC, I have my iPad, I have my laptop, you know, I have all this stuff that you guys don't see. You don't see my desk, you know. You see me in my chair, and you see, you know, the table in the background with the TV and stuff. But, yeah, I like this. It's pretty nice, you know. And then this room is the dining room right here. And, yeah, I did one video in here, actually, like my last video, I think. Either way, my unboxing video I did in here. Let me squeeze through here. It's just a big room, you know, that has a big table in it. I never even use it. So sad, you know. But, you know, I did my unboxing video actually right in that chair at the end, just because, you know, you might, if you watched it, you can see the pictures there too and stuff. And I only did that because, you know, I needed a big area since I wanted to do an unboxing video, and there's probably another place. I was thinking at first I could have did it in, like, my front rooms. Sat on the couch, but I didn't like that, you know, so I just did it in here. You could see all the gifts and stuff, so I think it worked out great, you know, but what do I know, right? And then there's my second front room. It's not the nicest. I got Peanut right there. Hey, Peanut. I got the TV. That's why it's nice. It's just got a TV. That's the only nice thing about it, I think. I don't like it set up, but yeah. Here's my very wide, bathroom here. I still want to change this, but I haven't got around to it this summer, and now I'm not going to be able to do it. But my bathroom, you know, you got the washer, the dryer, you know, for that. I still need to do some things. Like, I am doing this video before I leave my house, before I even pack up, because I want to pack up after this, just so it wouldn't look bare in areas, because I don't have anything, because I'm bringing it. But, you know, this is a pretty big bathroom. I got my 2 sinks and my tub, and then my toilet's right there. Yeah, it's pretty nice, you know, I like it. Got a nice tub. But, yeah. My last room in this house is my bedroom, which, has the most things in it, and the place I spend most of my time. That's not technically true. I spend a lot of my time either in my front room, my first front room, actually, because I usually just have my laptop and I'm typing or watching videos in my front room. Oh, you know, I'm in the office, but I am in here at night. I got a lot of stuff. See, I put this thing up, the, like, leopard thing, you know, that I got, from my unboxing video. I put it up here on my shelf. I think it looks good there. I was just looking for a place. I might keep it in this house, but, yeah. And then here's my TV. I got some model airplanes, you know, right there. I got, my dog Coco's pen. Coco has a little pen, and, you know, he's got his stuff in there. I got my shoes on top of his pen. I got, a boat, like, model, and, like, how a boat is built. Like, you know, like the structure of a boat on a postal kind of thing. Oh, and then, don't mind my clothes on the dresser there. I was packing up a little bit, yeah. There's my fireplace. And I do have an air purifier. You're probably going to see the same thing if you look. I'm going to have that too in my other house because, yeah, I need it. If I don't, I get, like, bloody noses every night, you know. I have to sleep with one, yeah. That's also why I have tissues right next to my bed, so if I have a bloody nose, you know. But, I lose a lot of blood from bloody noses, guys. And then I got, you know, my bed, and got the poster of the world up here, you know, the map of the world kind of thing. It's also, if you're wondering, because you might be able to tell, it's, 3 different pictures. And I put them close together, but, it's like a collection, so it was like, you have to get 3 of these pictures to complete it, and I did, but, yeah. So, yeah, this is my house, though. I will be doing another house tour of my other house when I get back over there, and I'll do that when I set back up, you know, because I'm not set up really over there. I don't even have really any food there. That's why I'm going to have to get all my food out here today. I'm going to post this video, and then I'm actually going to start packing up, you know. Get my food out of the fridge and things. And then I'm also going to have to go shopping still for other things for my other house. But, you know. But, yeah, this is my house, so you got to see it. I know I did a video in the past, but now you get to see it. You got to see it again, you know. So, lucky you guys, you know. You get to see it again, and yeah, so that's going to be the end of the video for today, guys. So see you in the next one.